Look at the fireworks. What a choice. Which one do you want to make? Turn the white knob, then press the yellow button when your choice lights up. A comet? A fountain? Lances? A Roman candle? A salute or whistle? Or a shell? What colour do you want your firework to be? Rotate the white knob to select your choice. The computer screen will tell you which chemical makes which colour. Then press the yellow button. Copper, sodium, aluminium, strontium, barium, strontium plus copper, copper, strontium plus copper. Now your firework needs some fuel to burn. Titanium, silicon, shellac, gum, aluminium. To get the fuel to burn properly, you need oxygen. So let's add an oxidant. Ammonium perchlorate, barium nitrate, potassium nitrate. You'll also need some easily ignited chemicals to get the reaction started. You don't want your firework burning too fast or fizzing out too quickly, so we need to add some retardant. To hold your chemicals together, you need to add a binder. Shellac, gum, nitrocellulose, dextrin. And to make the binder sticky, you have to add some liquid. Solvent, water, solvent. Now, the final part of the firework, the bit that sets it off, the fuse. Black match, quick match, electronic squib.
So, you've selected all the chemicals for your shell. What next? Make the firework, of course. The dust from the chemicals is very dangerous, so workers wear a breathing apparatus. Each chemical you've chosen is weighed precisely. The chemicals are mixed and then put into a sieve to remove any lumps. The better the chemicals are mixed, the better your firework is going to work. The chemicals that produce colour for your shell are mixed into balls called stars using this machine, a ball mill. The binder and liquid you added will hold the stars together. To make sure the stars are not too big or too small, mesh is used to sort them out. After that, the stars are left to dry. Rice husks are weighed, put into a ball mill, and moistened with water. Black powder is added. This sticks to the wet husks, and then the husks are dried. To make the container for your shell, 2 paper hemispheres are used. One has a delay fuse in the center. It's made from rice husks, to which a plastic bag full of burst charge is attached. The wall of each hemisphere is lined with stars. Primed rice husks are added to keep the stars in place. The hemispheres are joined, and before being taped up, they're squeezed together to get rid of any gaps inside. The shell is then covered with layers of glue paper. This will keep the shell together as it leaves the mortar. The fuses are the weakest part of the firework, so more paper is applied to reinforce them. The sphere is then dried. Then, the delay fuse is cut, ready for the propellant charge. The charge is placed in a plastic bag with a quick match poking out. The bag is taped over the delay fuse and the quick match is taped to the shell. The shell gets a final paper covering to keep the charge in place and a warning sticker is attached. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, to see how your shell goes. First, it's carefully loaded into a mortar tube. The fuse is lit. There it goes. Whoops, not looking good. Duck your head, it's going all over the place.